Welcome to Turner's Title I annual meeting for the 2021-2022 school year. According to ESSA, schools are required to host an annual meeting to explain and discuss Title I programs and requirements and additional support. Title I is a federal grant that ensures all children have the opportunity to obtain a high-quality education and reach proficiency on challenging state academic standards and assessments, provides supplemental funds to school districts to assist schools with high concentration of poverty to meet educational goals, assists with building capacity of parents and teachers, and encourages parents to be involved in their children's education. Districts allocate Title I funds to qualifying schools based on the number of students eligible to receive free or reduced price meals. Title I must supplement, not supplant, district funds. A specified amount of the Title I grant must be spent on family engagement and professional development. Parents have the right to give input regarding how the school will use its Title I funds. Who decides how funds are used? Your administrative team considers data and feedback collected throughout the school year to build their school budget. Every school has a school advisory council composed of parents, teachers, staff, community members, principal, and students at middle and high schools. The School Advisory Council helps determine how to use Title I funds. Please consider joining. Our next meeting is Thursday, September 30th at 3 p.m. Use of Title I funds must align with the goals of the School Improvement Plan and School-Wide Plan for Title I. Copies of these documents are available for review in the school office and translated when possible. Title I programs. All Title I public schools in Brevard are school-wide programs, meaning Title I funds, along with other local, state, and federal funding sources, are used to support all students in the school. The primary focus of the Title I program is to support the students most at risk for academic failure. Turner Elementary is provided with $300,651 to pay for services and programs for our students. School-based Title I funds pay for the following: personnel and supplemental resources. This is the math comparison data from the 2019 math proficiency to 2021 math proficiency from FSA. In third grade, there was a decrease of 11%. In fourth grade, there was an increase of 10%. In fifth grade, there was a decrease of 20%. And sixth grade, there was an increase of 11%. Here's the ELA data comparison from 2019 to 2021. There was an increase in third grade of 10%, a decrease in fourth grade of 7%, a decrease of 19% in fifth grade, and an increase of 13% in sixth grade. School Improvement Plan goals. School-wide math scores will increase as a result of teachers collaboratively planning with the implementation of standards-based instruction in all classrooms for all students with the utilization of the Eureka Math program. School-wide ELA scores will increase as a result of teachers collaboratively planning and the implementation of standards-aligned instruction in all classrooms for all students. Fifth grade SSA scores will increase as a result of teachers collaboratively planning and the implementation of standards-based instruction and standards-based hands-on science labs in all classrooms. The educational standards. Florida's academic content standards establish high expectations for all students in the areas of reading, mathematics, writing, and science. Florida standards for language arts and math identify what your child needs to know and be able to do. Information can be found at the following website. Testing. Parents are to be provided information regarding the level of achievement of their child on each state academic assessment required by law. To the extent that is feasible, testing information must be translated into a language the parents can understand. ELA. K through 6, there's 10-week summative assessments covering 4 standards, 4-week standards mastery assessments, iReady diagnostic tests in reading and math given 3 times per year. In kindergarten, there's the kindergarten language screening and Florida kindergarten readiness screener. In 3rd through 6th grade is the Florida Standards Assessment. The iReady reading diagnostic. Students were given 3 diagnostic assessments in 2020-2021 school year to determine grade level proficiency. If students were deficient in a certain skill, such as main idea or vocabulary, instructional lessons are individually assigned. This shows our iReady diagnostic results for the whole school. From Diagnostic 1 to Diagnostic 3, the amount of Tier 1 students, those are the students that are on or above grade level, increased from 29 to 49%. Our Tier 2 students, which are 1 grade level below, decreased from 45% to 36%. And our Tier 3 students, those are 2 or more grade levels below, decreased from 26% to 15% throughout the year. Parent and Family Engagement Plan. Each Title I school must jointly develop, agree upon, and distribute to parents a written Parent and Family Engagement Plan, PFEP. The PFEP describes how the school will carry out parent involvement requirements, including the development of a school parent compact. Title I schools must provide timely information about Title I programs to parents, explain the curriculum, assessments, and the minimum standards that students are required to meet, and offer a flexible number of meeting dates and times. Title I schools must involve parents in making decisions about how Title I funds reserved for parent involvement should be spent, provide documents to show that families were given information translated in their native language when reasonable, show evidence of continuous communication between the school, families, students, and community. Provide information on how the school works with community, volunteers, and business partnerships to increase student achievement. Provide trainings to staff and parents designed to increase student achievement and support family engagement. Jointly conduct an annual evaluation of the content and effectiveness of the school's PFEP. Monitor and evaluate the strategies of the Parent and Family Engagement Plan, and use the findings of the evaluation to design and revise strategies for more effective family involvement. These are the part of this parent survey results from last year. Parents stated that the best form of communication was email, text messages, class dojo, and or letters or flyers sent home. The best time for meetings or events was Monday through Friday evenings. Events that parents would like to attend are family fun nights, math strategies and reading strategies, and or homework help. Families stated that they would like more academic resources for the families to use at home. The complete survey results are found on Brevard Public Schools website under the Family Engagement tab. Parents have the right to submit comments regarding district and or school Title I plans. Comments should be turned into the school. The school will forward comments to the District Office of Title I. The District Office of Title I will include parent comments when plans are submitted to the Florida DOE. School Parent Compact. Each school must have a school parent compact that is written by parents and school personnel. The compact outlines the responsibilities of the students, parents, and school staff in striving to raise student achievement. The compact will be shared during parent-teacher conferences throughout the year. The compact is to be reviewed each year by the parent, student, and teacher. Parents' right to know. Parents have the right to request and receive timely information regarding the professional qualifications of their child's teacher and paraprofessionals. Parents must be notified if their child is assigned to or taught for 4 or more consecutive weeks by a teacher who is not state certified. Research shows no matter the socioeconomic status, when parents are involved, students are more likely to attend school regularly, earn better grades, obtain better test scores, pass courses, be promoted to the next grade, adapt to change, have better social skills, graduate, and continue their education. Tips for success. Communicate with your child's teacher often throughout the year. Consider joining the PTO, PTA, School Advisory Council, or the Title I District Advisory Council. Let your voice be heard. Some Title I schools have parent resource centers that provide materials and resources that families may check out to use at home. Reach out to Megan Arnold, 321-676-5700 to discuss available materials. Don't forget to sign up for your Focus account. Monitor your child's grades and stay in touch with their teacher. Please consider volunteering in your child's classroom this year. We'd love to have you. Please complete the annual meeting feedback form. Your opinions matter to us. This form will be sent in email and posted on Facebook and our website.